Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is Famida Gul Umrani, lecturer in Botany, Department of Botany, from Government Girls Degree College, Nusharaf Rose. Today, I here again to deliver my fifth lecture. This lecture is related to class first year, subject Botany, chapter number 5. And chapter name is Variety of Life. The topic we will discuss today about bacteriophage viruses. I think most of students are getting benefits from the lectures of this Sindh Education Lecture channel. So please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube Sindh College Lectures channel. These are the outlines of this topic we discuss today. Lecture, Inshallah. Outlines. Introduction of bacteriophage, structure of bacteriophage, life cycle of bacteriophage, lytic cycle, lysogenic cycle, significance of bacteriophage. First of all, we introduce the bacteriophage viruses. In last my fourth lecture, we discussed about the variety of life of viruses, and this topic is also concerned with that chapter. My dear students, these are the few points I discussed with you about all over the bacteriophage viruses and their stages. First of all, introduction of bacteriophage viruses. Bacteriophage is derived from Latin language bacterio, means bacteria, plus phage means to eat. It is a type of viruses that infects only bacteria. A virus that is parasitic in a bacterium and multiples with its host, which is destroyed when the new viruses are released, often shortened to phage. It uses the bacteria to reproduce itself. Bacteriophage work by injecting their own DNA into bacterial cells. They use the biological machinery of the bacteria to reproduce, and many more viruses are created this way. Structure of bacteriophage. Bacteriophage is the bacterial virus. Its body consists of proteins and nucleic acid or DNA. Its body consists of two parts. These are the followings: head-like structure and tail-like structure. Structure of bacteriophage. Head of bacteriophage. It has elongated head. Head has different shapes like pyramidal, hexagonal, prism-shaped structure. Tail is also attached with the head. Double-stranded DNA molecule is present inside the head. Tail of bacteriophage. Tail has complex structure. A layer of proteins forms the inner tube core of the tail. This core is enclosed in a sheath. This sheath is made up of protein. A collar is present on one side of sheath. The other side of sheath has end plates. 6 tail fibers are attached with the end plate. Tail fibers are a structure of attachment. Life cycle of bacteriophage. During infection, a phage attaches to a bacterium and inserts its genetic material into the cell. There are two types of life cycle of bacteriophage. These are the following. Number 1, lytic or virulent cycle. Number 2, lysogenic or temperate cycle. Lytic or virulent cycle. Lytic cycle are also called the master-slave relationship in the host cell. The word lysis means to break down. This phage viruses reproduce explective cycle which results in the death of host cell, called lytic cycle or virulent cycle. Lytic cycle divide into following steps. Steps of the lytic or virulent cycle. Number 1, attachment. Number 2, penetration. Number 3, transcription. Number 4, biosynthesis. Number 5, maturation. Number 6, lysis. Step 1, attachment or adsorption. The phage attacks itself to the surface of the host cell in order to inject its DNA into the cell. Number 2 step, penetration or lysoenzyme. In this phase, injects its DNA into the host cell by penetrating through the cell membrane. Number 3 step, transcription. The host cell's DNA is degraded and the cell's metabolism is directed to initiated phage biosynthesis. Number 4 step, biosynthesis. In this phase, DNA replicates inside the cell, synthesizing new phage DNA and proteins. Number 5 step, maturation or self-assembly. The replicated material assembles into fully formed viral phages, each made up of a head, a tail, and tail fibers. Number 6 step, lysis. The newly formed phages are released from the injected cell, which itself destroyed in the process to seek out new host cells to infect. Lysogenic or temperate cycle. Lysogenic cycle are also called the gas to host relationship cycle. The term lysogenic signifies that prophages are capable of generating active phages that lytic their host cells. Lysogenic cycle allow replication of phage genome without destroy the host cell. These are the following steps of lysogenic cycle. Number 1, attachment. Number 2, penetration. Number 3, integration. Number 4, binary fission or bacterial replication. Number 5, lytic cycle by environmental factors. Lysogenic or temperate cycle. During this cycle, these are the steps. Step number 1, attachment. A bacteriophage virus infects a bacteria by injecting its DNA into the bacterial cytoplasm or liquid space inside of the cell wall. Number 2 step, penetration. The viral DNA is read and replicated by the same bacterial proteins that replicated bacterial DNA. Number 3 step, integration. The viral DNA can continue using the bacterial machinery to replicate, or it can switch to the lytic cycle. If the viral DNA stays in the lysogenic cycle, one copy or few copies of the DNA exist in many bacteria. In the lysogenic cycle, the DNA only gets replicated when the bacteria are replicated their own DNA. Number 4 step, binary fission. Eventually, then the viral DNA will switch to the lytic cycle, which the bacterial mechanisms are used to produce lots of DNA and lots of capsids or protein covers for the DNA. Number 5 step, lytic cells or environmental factors. These capsids get released into the environment, infect a new bacteria, and the lysogenic cycle may start again. If the bacteria is weak or dying, the virus may enter straight into the lytic cycle in order to avoid dying with the bacteria. Significance of bacteriophage viruses. For bacteria living or on plant body hosts, phages are also likely to have significant impact on the plant bacteria interaction. Potential mechanisms shaping this interaction including lysing of bacterial cells, horizontal gene transfer among bacterial genomes. Transduction is responded for transfer of drug resistance, especially in Staphylococcus. Phages are used extensively in genetic engineering, where they serve as a cloning vectors. Libraries of genes and monoclonal antibodies are maintained in phages. They are responsible for natural removal of bacteria from water bodies. My dear students, these are all over the few points we discuss about the bacteriophage viruses, their introduction, structure of bacteriophage, life cycle of bacteriophage, lytic cycle, lysogenic cycle, and significance of bacteriophage viruses. All about these topics is concerned with the first year botany, chapter number 5, and chapter name is variety of life. Dear student, I hope you have understand this topic and enjoy learning at home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. God bless you.